Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to explore how to customize sequence numbers for sale orders, purchase orders, and other documents in Odoo 19. At first glance, sequence numbers might seem like a small detail, but they play a crucial role in keeping files organized, traceable, and aligned with your business processes. By the end of this video, you will know how to fully customize sequence numbers, whether you want a new format, date-based numbering, or even want to continue numbering from a previous ERP system. So let's get started. Before jumping into the settings, let's quickly understand what sequence numbers are in Odoo 19. Every document, such as a sale order or purchase order, is automatically assigned a unique reference number. By default, this sequence usually includes a prefix such as S for sale orders or P for purchase orders, followed by a running number. While this works well out of the box, many businesses need more flexibility. You might want to customize the prefix, include dates in the number, or maintain continuity with an older system. That's exactly what we will configure today. First, we need to enable developer mode. Go to Settings and scroll down to activate developer mode. If you already see a bug icon in the top menu, that means it is already enabled. Next, navigate to Settings, then Technical, then Sequences. Here you will find all the sequences used across the database. Since we are working with sale orders, search for sale order and open the corresponding sequence. Now let's break down the configuration options. At the top, you will see the general information, such as the sequence name and related model. The real customization comes under the sequence settings section. First is the prefix field. By default, it may contain something like S. You can change it according to your business workflow. For example, you can change it to SO or even use a company-specific code. This is especially useful when migrating from another system and wanting to maintain consistency. You will also find a suffix field, which works the same way but is added at the end of the sequence. Now comes one of the most powerful features, dynamic values, also known as legend codes. These allow you to include elements like the day, month, or year directly in the sequence. For example, you can create a format like SO/year/month/day/sequence number. These values update automatically, so each document reflects the current date. You can separate elements using slashes, dashes, or any format that suits your business. Next, let's look at the Use Subsequences per Date range option. When enabled, Odoo allows separate numbering for different periods. For example, you can reset your sequence every year by defining date ranges. Odoo will automatically pick the correct sequence based on the document date. This is especially useful for companies that follow yearly numbering systems. Now moving on to the numbering system settings. Sequence size defines how many digits the number will contain. For example, 001, 0001. Step controls how the numbers increment. The next number field is very important because it determines the next number to be assigned. If you are continuing from a previous system, you can set this value based on your last used number. For example, if your last order number was 1000, you can set the next number to 1001. Just remember, changing this value affects future records, so handle it carefully. Once everything is configured, click Save. Now let's test it. Create a new sale order, select a customer, and add a product to the order line, then save the quotation. You will notice that the newly generated reference number follows the format we configured. Before wrapping up, here is an important note about invoice sequences. Invoices work a bit differently because the numbering is assigned only when the invoice is confirmed. By default, invoice sequences reset every year. Unlike sale orders, invoice sequences are not usually modified directly from the sequence menu. To change the invoice format, open the most recent confirmed invoice, reset it to draft, and edit the reference number. Odoo will automatically apply this new format to future invoices and log the change in the chatter. And that's it. Thank you for watching.